Assassin's Creed Valhalla pre-orders for PS4, Xbox One now live in India. Price, additions, bonus features. Assassin's Creed is back, and this time, it is taking players to the world of Vikings. Ubisoft has officially announced Assassin's Creed Valhalla, its latest addition to the acclaimed franchise that is a concoction of historical fantasy and stealthy murderous action. Assassin's Creed Valhalla is coming to Xbox Series X and Xbox One, PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4, Google Stadia, PC, and Uplay Plus this holiday season. And in case you were excited after watching that awesome world premiere trailer and happen to live in India, there is some good news for you, as pre-orders for the game have now gone live in the country. Ubisoft has announced that Assassin's Creed Valhalla will be available from online and offline retailers in India following its release towards the end of 2020. However, pre-orders for the highly anticipated game have already gone live in India from Games the Shop. As of now, you can splurge on the Drakkar, Gold, and Ultimate editions of Assassin's Creed Valhalla. As a sweet bonus, all pre-orders will be rewarded with the Way of the Berserker mission. Here's the pricing structure and what you get with each edition of the game. 1. Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Drakkar Edition, 3,999 rupees, PS4 and Xbox One. The Drakkar Edition includes the core game, alongside the Berserker Longship Pack that offers a longship with a unique figurehead and a set of new sails, a new skin for customizing the Raven, and a set of runes. 2. Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Gold Edition, 6,299 rupees, PS4 and Xbox One. With the Gold Edition, you get the base game, Assassin's Creed Valhalla Season Pass, and a story mission that will be available at launch. 3. Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Ultimate Edition, 6,799 rupees, PS4 and Xbox One. The Ultimate Edition offers the base game, Assassin's Creed Valhalla Season Pass, the story mission you get in the Gold Edition, and the Ultimate Pack. The latter include the Berserker Gear Pack, Bearded Axe, Ursine Guard Light Shield, a new skin for your Raven, Haughty Wolf Mount, and the Berserker set for Eivor, the Berserker Longship Pack, the Berserker Settlement Pack, and a set of runes. Ubisoft says Valhalla introduces a new combat system and more brutal action. There also exists a Ubisoft Store-exclusive Assassin's Creed Valhalla Collector's Edition that is coming during the holiday season, but there is no word if it will be available in India. The Collector's Edition includes the game's Ultimate Edition and physical collectibles that include an Eivor figurine, steel bookcase, statuette of Eivor, selected soundtrack CD, and a set of 3 lithographs. Just for a memory refresh, Assassin's Creed Valhalla is set in the period around 9th century when Norse tribes were moving towards Anglo-Saxon England. You'll take the role of Eivor, playable as both male and female, to lead raids, build settlements, and of course, fight in epic battles to disrupt the course of history. Assassin's Creed Valhalla features a new combat system, and Ubisoft also promises raid action that will be more brutal than any previous entry in the series. Plus, the upcoming game will also introduce the most diverse set of weapons so far in any Assassin's Creed game. And in case you are curious, the signature hidden blade is here to stay. Also, if you're interested in the inspiration and historical background of the 9th century setting in Assassin's Creed Valhalla, read this interview with Thierry Noël, historian and inspirational content advisor for the game to know more. And hey, check out these glorious artworks for the game. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.